Assalamu alaikum earlier 3. Today in English unit we have done the topic digraph O. We have done the revision of topic digraph O. So students, what you have to do in this worksheet, first you have to write your name, mention today's date. Then what we have to do in this worksheet? Any guesses? Let me tell you. Students, there are some objects downside and there is one table where all the words are written. Here we have to write the correct word with the correct object. Alright, let's see the first picture. What is this? It's a coat. So you have to write the spelling of coat over here. C-O-A-T, coat. Alright. Now the next you have to write the spelling. Now the next picture is of boat. Boat. Where boat is written, it's goat. Here it is. So you have to write the spelling of boat over here. Now let's move towards the third picture, which is soak. What is this? Soap. Here you have to mention the spelling of soap over here. Alright. Now let's move towards the next picture, which is, what is that? Is that a sheep? It's goat. So where goat is written? Goat. Here it is. So here you have to write the spelling of goat. Now let's move towards the next picture, which is road. What is this? Road. And road is written over here. You have to write the spelling in the given dash. Okay, now let's move towards the next picture, which is that a bread? It's one piece, so it's called loaf. So you have to write the spelling of loaf over here. Now let's move towards the next picture, which is float. What is this? Float. Here you have to write the spelling of float. Now let's move towards the last picture, which is toast. Here it is. Alright, in the end you have to trace O and A. When O and A are together, they make a special sound which is O. Alright, so now let's move towards the next worksheet, which is of sky, grass and root letters. Student, what we have to do in this worksheet, as we all know that all the capital letters are sky letters because it touch the top three lines. So you have to write capital letters with blue color, and the letters which are grass, root and sky, you have to use their respected colors like green, blue and brown. A. Now let's write the lowercase of letter A, which comes in the middle line. So it's a grass letter. You have to write it like this. Alright. So now let's move towards the next letter A. Now the next letter is B. As I told you, all the capital letters are sky letters. So write B over here. And B is the sky letter or grass letter. So I'm gonna write B with blue color because it touched the three lines. B is a sky letter. Very nice. So now let's move towards the next letter, which is letter C. As I told you, all the capital letters we have to write with blue color because all the capital letters are sky letters. So, and what about the lowercase? C is a grass letter, sky letter or root letter? It's a grass letter, so write it in the middle line. You can complete it by yourself easily. Jazakallah everyone. Allah Hafiz.